Amazon Prime Day 2026 is going to be early this year. It's actually going to start on June 23rd and go through June 26th. So you've got 4 days there to be able to save tons of money on different Amazon items. Now, Prime Days is only for Prime members, but if you sign up now, you can get a free 30-day trial or a free 6-month trial if you qualify. There's a link in the description down below where you can check that out, and you can actually get all of the Prime discounts. So there's already early Prime Day deals. You can find them on this page. I'll leave a link to it down there as well in the description. But you can actually go through all these different Prime Day deals. Some of them are deals that you can get with just a regular Amazon account. Some of them you have to have Amazon Prime. Now, the actual Prime Day deals and the Prime Day specific savings and lightning deals, you do have to have Amazon Prime for, but like I said, you can get that for free. There's a link in the description to do that. And so Prime Student is actually a 6-month free trial. If you're 18 to 24 or a student, you can actually click that link to join and get 6 months free of Amazon Prime. It'll take you to this page. You can check your eligibility if you already have Amazon Prime, and then you can get 5% cash back on all of your Prime Day deals. And I think it may even be 10% during Prime Day. And so that's a pretty awesome deal that's only available to young adults. So if you're 18 to 24, there's a deal for that. You can start shopping these Prime Day deals. Prime Day starts June 23rd. Technically, but a lot of deals are already showing up, and there's a lot more they're going to be releasing where companies will have their early Prime Day pricing, and it will kind of go through that June 26th date. So Prime Days is early this year. Amazon didn't want to compete with the FIFA World Cup schedule, and I think the 250th anniversary of the United States, etc. All this stuff is happening in July, and so they moved it up early. Usually Prime Day is in July. This year it's June 23rd to the 26th. That's when Prime Day is. Go check out Amazon Prime Day. Early deals, they're already showing up. Link in the description, and also you can sign up for Prime for free and shop Prime Day for free this year in 2026.